Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove your Shopify website from URL. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and go to settings and click on domains. So here you will get third-party domain section, and from that section you have to select that domain you want to remove, and then you have to do this following. If your account is on the basic Shopify plan, then you have to click on remove, and if your account is on the Shopify advanced Shopify or Shopify plus, then click on manage, and then you have to click on remove, and then the last thing you have to do is click remove again to confirm, and your Shopify website will be removed from URL. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.